this is Joy from the Amy Sanders Library, and today I thought I'd show you just how I fold my clothes in the Konmari method. Some of you may have made it to one of the workshops that we had by Sue Felberg from Tidy Nest. Those were really fun, and she has some resources as well. I thought I'd show you, because everybody kind of executes it a little bit differently, so I thought I'd show you how I do my own stuff. So the first thing I've got right here are two little ankle socks, and I used to fold my socks like that, and that's fine under the Konmari method, but I've started doing it this way just because it feels like a more natural fold for the socks. And that's kind of the whole thing, is whatever feels natural for that particular item of clothing. So you lay one sock flat, other one, and then with just little ankle socks, you fold them in half, and then they stand. So with longer socks, these are my husband's socks, I did the same thing, I flattened them out, but you can do them with the heel out like that as well. You just fold one on top of the other. And then however many folds you need, I'm just gonna do it with 2 folds for his socks, and they'll stand up as well. So there we've got 2 socks. This is a sweatshirt, and I'm gonna lay it with the back to me, and then you'll fold over one side to the center so that you've got it pretty much a third of the way in. And then leave the arm out and then fold it down, just like that. Same thing on the other side. Fold it in, and then arm across, and then fold it down. So now you've got a nice rectangle, and some people do it bottom up. I do it top to bottom. Fold the neck in and then over. Now I've got my sweatshirt. Let's see. I'm gonna go now with a t-shirt. It says books and tea. I thought that was a fun one. And it's the same thing as a long sleeve shirt. You just fold it in, and then that arm just doesn't go out at all. So you don't have to fold it down or anything. And same thing with the other side, just fold that in. Now you've got a really clean rectangle, and you fold it in once, in again, and now you've got more or less standing up. If it falls over a lot, you try to do it a little differently. So I'm gonna leave a space right here. I'm gonna fold it in thirds now. With more folds, it'll usually stand a little easier. So there you go. Now with tank tops, what you do, I always lay it with the back to me, and then fold it in, just like the other ones, in and in. And then when you get to this part, pay attention to where the straps are, and fold them over to where they're maybe like an inch from the bottom. And I like to fold them into thirds. And these I just love when they're done, just seeing them. They're so compact and fun. So there we go. And then pants. So the interesting thing, I've seen people fold them with them buttoned and zipped. I find it a little easier to do it with them open. And you fold them with the butt out. And then fold in whatever's sticking out right here. If it's a larger size of pants, you'll probably have more. Fold it in so that you've got kind of like a clean line across right here. And then I fold the ankles up to just below my waistband. then I fold mine into thirds. And then, let's see, I'm just going to just jump straight to a cardigan. And lay it flat. This is the longest part for folding a cardigan, is just laying it flat in front of you. I used to hang all mine up. Now I fold them all. I feel like they're just much happier sitting together in my drawer. I fold them in, and at this point, it folds just like a sweatshirt. So you fold it in, sleeve down, fold it in, sleeve down. You've got a rectangle. Leave about an inch gap right here, because when you fold that last fold, the top kind of scoots itself down. So now you've got another nice thing. Yeah. And that's how I fold my clothes, Konmari.